This one is right here. This is our green honeycreeper, our yellow-throated toucan. Another green honeycreeper. Okay, no problem. Well, we'll just have to continue, and I'll find it next time. But clearly, you see where I got it from. It's a lot of birds. I should have started from the very beginning. So that one is on me. So let's continue. And again, of course, this is going to be in South America, but this is now, as you see, this bird is found in South America. I like the satellite. But this one is found all over South America. So this bird is found, well, I won't say all over because you don't see it down there in Argentina, but that's because it's not as tropical. So the neotropics, that's what it needs for survival. You see down here, the green disappears, my boy. Santa Cruz province, all of that, and it starts to disappear. Chile, it disappears. But throughout the entire Brazil and the Amazons and everywhere else, you can still find this beautiful bird. Now, it's not as colorful as the rest of them, but it's still a pretty decent looking bird, right? It's distinct. In his head. See, here is, you got his wing clip.